jumps through trees and plays hide and seek. K is for kangaroo, boing, boing, boing. She hops along as the birdies sing. M is for Aladdin, king of the land. He roars out loud and takes a stand. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. He giggles and tosses a coconut tree. N is for newt, so small and quick. He hides in grass and plays a trick. O is for owl, wise and neat. He hoots at night from his treetop seat. P is for penguin, waddling wide. He slides on ice with a happy glide. Q is for quail, so tiny and neat. She runs in the field with little feet. R is for rabbit, hopping with cheer, with big long ears to help him hear. S is for snake, smooth and sly. He slithers and hisses, waving goodbye. T is for tiger, with stripes so grand. He prowls through grass across the land. U is for Uriel, a mountain sheep with curly horns and a bounding leap. V is for vulture, circling high. He soars on, winds up in the sky. W is for whale, who sings in the sea with splashes and bubbles, wild and free. X is for X-ray fish, see-through and small. She swims so fast, she beats them all. Y is for yak, with wool so thick. He climbs up mountains, strong and quick. Z is for zebra, black and white. He gallops fast, what a stripy sight!